Open Collective Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're managing a community, nonprofit, or open source project, the Open Collective app promises to simplify funding and transparency, but does it really work as advertised? One major pro is financial transparency. Most people get this wrong by assuming online funding platforms hide fees or complicated tracking. Open Collective displays income, expenses, and balances clearly, making it easy for contributors to see exactly how funds are used. Another advantage is donor management. You can track recurring contributions, issue invoices, and generate reports on spending. This is particularly useful for nonprofits and open source communities that rely on small but consistent donations. The app also supports collaboration. Project owners can share updates, approve expenses, and coordinate with team members on financial decisions. This ensures accountability and strengthens trust with supporters. However, there are cons. Some users report that the app interface can feel limited compared to the web version. Certain administrative functions, like customizing payout schedules or connecting multiple payment providers, may require logging in on a desktop. Fees on transactions can also be higher than expected depending on the payment method. In conclusion, the Open Collective app is a valuable tool for managing community funds with transparency and accountability. The surprising truth is that while it makes tracking and reporting easier, full functionality still leans on the web platform. For project managers and community leaders seeking a simple, transparent way to handle donations and expenses, Open Collective is a strong choice, but for more advanced financial management, you may still need the desktop interface.